Hi everyone, and welcome. Today, we are diving into a fundamental skill for any designer, creating grids, guides, and gutters in Adobe Illustrator. These tools are the secret to clean, professional, and perfectly aligned designs. They provide an invisible structure for your work, ensuring everything looks balanced and intentional, so let's get started on building a solid foundation for your artwork. First, let's look at the most basic grid Illustrator offers. You can easily turn this on by going to the View menu and selecting Show Grid. This is great for quick sketches or simple alignments. If you want to customize this grid, you can go to your Preferences, find the Guides and Grid section, and there you can set how large each grid square is and how many smaller subdivisions are inside it. Now, let's talk about creating custom guides. The most common way is to use the rulers. If your rulers aren't visible, just press Ctrl-R on a PC or Command-R on a Mac to show them. Then, you can simply click on the top or side ruler and drag a new guide onto your artboard. Place them wherever you need to mark specific alignment points. A key tip is to lock your guides so you don't move them by accident. Just go to the View menu, then Guides, and select Lock Guides. This will save you a lot of frustration. But what if you need a proper layout grid with columns and rows, like for a magazine or website mock-up? This is where the real power lies. The best method is the Split into Grid feature. Start by selecting the rectangle tool and drawing a shape that covers your entire artboard. With this rectangle selected, navigate to the Object menu, then go down to Path and choose Split into Grid. A dialog box will appear, giving you full control. Here, you can define the exact number of rows and columns you need for your layout. This is also where we define our gutters. The gutter is the crucial space between your columns and rows, and you can input the precise width you want, ensuring consistent spacing across your entire design. Once you have your settings, you can either create the grid as shapes or, even better, check the Add Guides box to instantly convert the grid lines into guides. If you happen to create them as shapes first, don't worry, just select the grid you made, go to the View menu, then Guides, and click Make Guides. This gives you a perfect, non-printing layout grid to build your design on. And that's how you create and use grids, guides, and gutters to bring order and professionalism to your Illustrator projects. Mastering these simple tools will dramatically improve your workflow and the final quality of your designs, making alignment an easy and thoughtless process. Thank you so much for watching today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and for more design tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next video.